Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the ClickUp desktop app, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have ClickUp ready to go on your computer, making it easier to manage projects, tasks, and everything else right from your desktop. So let's dive in and get you set up. First, you'll want to start by opening your internet browser. I recommend using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Whatever you're most comfortable with works just fine. Now, head over to the link, ClickUp.com to download. It's important to type the address carefully to make sure you land on the official ClickUp download page, which keeps things secure and avoids any issues with unofficial or outdated downloads. Once you're on the download page, you'll notice a few different options for operating systems. Since we're installing ClickUp on Windows, look specifically for the Download for Windows button. It should be pretty prominent, usually right near the top or middle of the page. Go ahead and click that button. If you're on a Mac, you'd choose the Mac option instead, but for this tutorial, we're sticking with Windows. After clicking Download for Windows, your browser will begin downloading the ClickUp setup file. This will often appear at the bottom of your screen or in your Downloads folder. Don't worry if your browser asks for confirmation or gives a warning about downloading an executable file. That's a standard security feature. Just make sure the file name says something like ClickUp Setup exe. If you're ever unsure, check that the download came directly from ClickUp.com. Now, once the setup file finishes downloading, this part might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. You'll need to open the file to start installation. If you're using Chrome, for example, you can just click the little box in the bottom corner, or find the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to run the installer. You may see a prompt that asks if you want to allow ClickUp to make changes to your device. This is perfectly normal for apps you install, so just click Yes to continue. The installer will start to do its thing. You might see a loading bar or a quick splash screen as everything is being set up. This process goes pretty quickly for most people, but don't worry if it takes a few moments. The app is setting itself up so it runs smoothly. Once the installation is complete, the ClickUp desktop app should launch automatically, or you'll see it appear in your Start menu and on your desktop with the familiar ClickUp icon, making it easy to find next time. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded and installed ClickUp on your Windows computer. From here, you can log in with your account and start organizing tasks and projects right away. It's a super handy tool for both individual users and teams. Having it on your desktop means faster access and one less browser tab to worry about. So if you followed along and got ClickUp installed, give yourself a pat on the back. If you ran into any issues, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I check those regularly and I'm happy to help. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful guides just like this. Thanks for watching and best of luck with all your projects.